Hey guys.
What's poppin'? What's poppin'? What's poppin'? What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in.
Now I'm looking rough, but you know that's the whole point of the video. I'm gonna get cute, and that's that. Like, I don't know how much y'all like these videos, but you know I like being cute. So, but I have a wig right here that I'm gonna put on. It's just a closure, so it's a 5x5 from Aliqueenmall or Aliqueen. All the information on this hair is gonna be in the description, where to get the hair and everything. I'll just go ahead and talk about the hair. It's actually pretty soft. Only thing, it was tangly and it did shed a lot. So yeah, that was my only two concerns with this hair, but other than that, it's pretty good. The knots bleached fine. I kind of over bleached the front, but we're just gonna use some mascara to fix that. And yeah, so let's just install this really quick because I really don't want to take long because it's getting late. I already put my wig cap on, so yeah, I'm just gonna not take up all this time. Literally, I love closures just because of this reason. Like, I can just, and I want to do a certain hairstyle. I'm gonna show y'all the hairstyle on the screen that I'm going for. Something remotely close to it, of course, but I'm gonna speed this up. So okay, y'all, so as you can see, I got it all glued down. That's why I love closures, because they're quick and easy. Like, I hate frontals, honestly. I really do, because it just takes so freaking long to like make a look great. Like, closures, it's really just what I forgot to freaking put foundation on the lace. I'm stupid. Let me see what I can do. Is it gonna, because like I don't want it to look like that, like white. I gotta do something about that. I didn't even know my video started recording, but I forgot to cut off this end piece right here, which is so ugly. But like, don't we just love closures? Like, they just look so like, I mean, yeah, like this is ugly obviously, but they're just so easy. Definitely need to clean this up. So what we're gonna do, where's my alcohol? So we're gonna take some alcohol, we're gonna take some Gatsby spray, and we're gonna clean it up, and the scissors, of course, to like, you know, shape up anything. Yeah, so I'll just like do a time lapse or something. Yeah, the wig's on. Literally every time I do a wig, something just starts bothering me, and this is what's bothering me, this part right here. But I'm just like, you know what, we're gonna have to fix it as we go, you know. And like, I try to lay it down as flat as possible. I feel like it's not like transparent enough. Since we're doing like bangs, I'm not gonna do the most, and then I overbleached the knots. Like, it's always something going on wrong, honestly. But babe, we're gonna find a way to try to like finesse it or something. I don't know. But my phone keeps turning off recording and junk when I'm recording. But what I'm gonna do now is, I kind of want to like messy look, you know, but I don't know if I should cut the bangs now or later. I might just do it now, honestly. But first we gotta make our part and deal with that stuff, so let's do that. That's all I really needed. So now we're gonna do the bangs, the bangs. Okay, y'all, so tell me what you think. So like I pretty much finished cutting because it was really hard cutting this side and like I had a lot of trouble. So I tried my best though. Like for me to be doing it like how I was doing it, I think I did a pretty good job, honestly. I think I did. So kind of proud of myself. And there's hair everywhere, so I know this is gonna be like hell to clean up, but I'm not mad at it because it doesn't look bad at all. Like it really doesn't. So what I'm gonna do now is wet it, and I'm going to put this in it. So this is like my first time like styling for real, and actually looking good, styling my wigs, because usually I just be basic. I don't do much most of the time with my wigs. I literally just like do what everybody does, you know, maybe the middle part, maybe side part. Like I don't do much. This is my first time like cutting bangs or something. Like I've tried to cut layers before, it didn't work. Yeah, I've had like a weird obsession with curtain bangs recently. Like I'm just in love with them. Like I think they're so cute, honestly. They're like so cute. And I have them in my real hair. Like I got curtain bangs on my natural hair, and I love them. I would do it again. Like I was scared at first when I saw the hair falling to the floor, but like afterwards I was like yes. But I did them like the way she did them, like it was a lot. Like she took like a lot of my hair and just started cutting. Like, oh, I didn't know you did it like that. But I just did my little front, and I tried to do layers, but it didn't work out. Maybe I'll fix it later, but so I'm just using some Be Leave-In, and I'm probably just gonna not even use a lot, and I mostly put it on the ends because I hate how the ends look. Oh my gosh, the lace, ew. The lace looks disgusting. Yes, it looks so cute. This is so cute, guys. Oh my gosh, I'm proud of myself. Like I actually did something that's actually cute. Like yeah, I need some layers. Maybe I'll add some layers, but I'm probably not gonna do that on camera. So yeah, like we're gonna do my makeup next, and we're gonna like turn into a baddie or whatever, you know. I'll see y'all when I'm doing that. I'm about to do my makeup. I was debating on whether I should do a time-lapse or a regular video because I don't really want to do a tutorial right now. I'd rather do that like in a video by itself. If y'all want that, y'all can let me know, but I'm probably gonna do this in a time-lapse most likely because I know my makeup takes a little minute. So I also cut my lace back a bit because I didn't like how it looked. I felt like I forgot to do a lot of things because I haven't installed a wig in so long. But you know what, I'll start my makeup with y'all. I just started off like, this is the primer I use, by the way. But yeah, I don't know, I'm trying to get better at makeup. I really am, because I want to like just know how to beat my face really well, and you know, then I'll be satisfied with my life, you know. But I'm gonna start this time lapse, so y'all enjoy. So y'all, I decided to record now because like this last part, because I'm really just doing the finishing touches. Like I put my lashes on, I had to put it on off camera because I really have to focus when putting my lashes on. And I wish I did not use these lashes because I feel like they're not big enough. Like they're so small, like you can barely see them. Like they don't match with the look, if you get what I'm saying. So now I'm just gonna actually put some more blush on, and maybe I've seen people do this because I feel like that brings more color to your face, because I don't have bronzer. So now I'm just gonna put on some, what you call it, I don't really like this makeup look. Like if I had bigger lashes, I feel like I look like a lot better, but these lashes don't match with the look, and I don't feel like changing them. So hopefully, I don't know, hopefully like when I get like on camera it looks, well, I am on camera, like when I take pictures. Also got Bubba, I got Thai tea. What was I gonna do? Maybe this will fix it a little bit. Ouch. And then I'm going to, I should have got a tweezer. I look like a rock star face. Yeah. I don't really like the look, I'm not gonna lie. I don't like it. And my face looks pale like a freaking ghost. Do I look like a ghost? Okay, I'm gonna fix my hair. I'm gonna try to fix myself up, and we're gonna see. So this is the final result. As you can see, I cut it back a bit. Like I might have to still fix it because I just hate this. I hate wigs because like I don't know. Let's try low lighting. How low can it really go? Because you can see my hair like peeking through, and that's not good. Oh well. Just look at it from afar. Maybe I could cover it up with the bangs. Or maybe some edges. I don't know. But yeah, so get into the face. Get some freckles or whatever. Yeah, I don't know. It's cute, but like, it's cute. I do like it. Like, it's not at all. But again, this wig is from Aliqueen. Oh, let me stand up and show you how long it is on me. I'm 5'3", by the way, for reference. That's how long it is. And that's the end, how the ends look. I kind of wet it, but like it's not really wet no more. So yeah, I'll insert some videos in case y'all want to just see me being cute or whatever. If I take videos, probably am. So I hope y'all like the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what else y'all want to see. And yeah, talk to me. See you on the next video. Bye.